Okay guys, this video is all about the specials with our factoring. So you do need to copy this table down. Let me see. All right. We have difference of two squared. So if you had two things squared being subtracted, this is what the factored form would look like. If I had difference of two cubes, this is what my factored form would look like, and so forth. So go ahead and pause this and copy this entire table down into your notes, and then I'll go through an example with you in a minute. For real, make sure you have it down. We're going to be looking for it. All right, so with this one, I'm trying to figure out what it matches up to. So if I look back, it's definitely a difference of two things. It's either going to be a difference of squares or a difference of cubes. I know it's a difference because of the subtraction. 36 is 6 squared. X squared is x squared. So this first term, the a, is actually having 6x quantity squared. And this last one, 49, is 7 squared. So I do need to know my perfect squares, but I can break that into where a is the 6x, b is the 7, and I have a plus 7 and a minus 7. If you look back, that's exactly how it's split up. Whatever was being squared here goes to the first spot. Whatever was being squared here goes to the second one. One with a minus sign, one with a plus sign. It does not matter if you listed them in the opposite order. For this one, I'm working backwards. So when I look at this, I have x minus something and x plus something. I'm going to go back to my table and try to match that up. That matches up to this top one. So x minus something, which was 2, and x plus 2. So the a's were the x's, the b's were the 2. So in my little formula here, instead of an a, I have an x there. Instead of a b, I have a 2. So it becomes x squared minus 4. It's literally just matching it up to which one it looks like, figuring out what A and B is, A and B are, so you can plug them back in to either get the factored form or to work backwards to get it multiplied out. And if you did your double distribute, or those of you that do box method or FOIL, whatever you want to call it, and you multiplied these out, you would end up getting down to x squared minus 4.